Hi, hello and welcome to Ceylon Food Court. Hi guys, today we are going to make a Sri Lankan sweet called Ada, and this can be long lasted, kept and consumed. And guys, if you are still not with the Ceylon Food Court family, please do subscribe, like and click on the bell icon. And guys, the first thing to do is take all your scrapped jaggery and put it into a pan. And guys, please do remember the pan must be in low flame. Put all your jaggery into the pan and add some water. Required amount only guys, not too much. And then give it a good stir. Time to time stir it up a bit so that entire jaggery is being melted down into one liquid. Now you can see guys, my entire jaggery is melted, so I am turning off the gas. That is why the bubbles are fading off. Now it is entirely dissolved. Next thing guys, I need powdered sugar. I am adding one good cardamom into sugar and I am blending it up so that I am getting my powdered sugar with the smell also. Now you can add 2 or 3 cardamoms as per your requirement. That is not a problem. Now the second thing guys, take a container and pour all your melted jaggery into it. When that is done guys, now we have kept a thick coconut milk. You pour that thick coconut milk into the jaggery that you have already made, and take a spoon or a beater. If you are put it into a bowl, take a beater or a spoon or a fork, whatever it is, and give it a good mix guys, so that entire jaggery and the coconut milk is being entirely dissolved. It is well mixed guys. Now the last part is take your flour, put it into a bowl and add some baking powder into it. I am adding baking soda too guys. You can skip out the baking soda if you do not want it or do not like it. I am adding both. And next comes my vanilla essence. And there goes my powdered sugar next. And then guys, you give a good mix to it with your beater. Give it a good mix. Mix it up very well, and then you pour your 2 eggs that is been already beaten up. Beaten 2 eggs into the flour ball mixture that we are making, and mix it up well guys. And guys, when you are done mixing up the eggs, the next comes the jaggery mix that we have already made. Now the jaggery mix guys, you add little by little, not entirely at once, little by little, and keep on mixing it up just like this. And guys, keep on mixing it up until you get a soft thick batter, a soft thick mixture just like this. This is the consistency that we need. And guys, this is done now, and please do remember you will have to keep this for about 4 hours time to rest, to marinate. That must be kept 4 hours. And then for the final part, as you know, take a cookie pan, keep it in low heat, apply some oil and put your mixture after, this is after 4 hours guys. You must keep it for 4 hours time, and then you cook this up. We put our mixture into the cookie pan, 1 tablespoon each. And as you know the drill, guys, when the time is right, you flip it over. And also please do remember, guys, this particular sweet can be kept. You can just put it in a sealed container and you can use this for a long time, and the kids would love this. You can use it for a long time by sealing this up. There is no need to refrigerate or anything. You can just keep this up in a sealed container and you can use it for a long time. And my entire adda is ready to serve. That is it, guys, for today. Thank you very much and see you in another video.